Hi, welcome to today's video. In case your computer is running slow or the system drive, basically known as the C drive, is full, this is what you should do to at least free up some space. I hope that these methods will help you. But before that, hey guys, welcome to Teach Computer Academy, where we teach you computer skills the simplest and easiest way. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to ring the bell so that whenever we upload a new video on how to improve your computer skills, you will be updated and you can start to show your computer skills to your friends. Please give this video a big thumbs up, and if you ever have any concerns, questions or opinions about the video, don't be afraid. Just leave a comment down below. Now, let's get back into the video. So my friend, I want to show you how my local disk C is looking like. So I have 17 GB free of 234, and maybe after we've done these processes, we'll come back and check and see how far or how much space have we freed. My friend, I want to tell you that it won't be so much because I did this process last week, so I am expecting less space. But if your computer is really packed up and you really don't know what to do, or you really don't know what is making it to pile up and become so full, then try all these processes and see if they are going to help you. So my friend, the first step is to clean the temporary files. When you are on the Windows key, you just right click and hit on run. Alternatively, you can hold the Windows key and X, and then that very pop-up will show, and all you need to do is to hit on run. And the first thing you will search for is temp, just TEMP, and my friend, you just hit OK. You'll give it a few moments, it will load some files. Maybe yours are so many, but for me there are a few. All you need to do is to hit Ctrl A to select everything, and then all you need to do is to Shift Delete. Shift Delete gives you an option that it's going to delete it permanently. It is not going to be saved in the recycle bin. All you need to do now is just to hit yes. You will find some files that are not required to be deleted. All you need to do is to check, do this to all files and hit skip. Then it will basically delete the files and leave you with this file. The second method is to search for temporary files. There are other temporary files, and all you need to do is to just hit Windows key and X. Then you will click on run, and then you will type in %temp %, and then you will hit on OK. It will basically load for you that very folder. My friend, you can see we have a lot of dummy files here, the ones that are not required. They are just using your local disk C, and they are just piling up and filling it up. So all you need to do is to hit Ctrl A, and then you will now Shift Delete to permanently delete that, and come and hit on yes. So you'll give it a few moments, it will load and delete all the files. You will also realize there are some files you are not required to delete, so just say do this to all current documents and say skip. The third method is to clear the prefetch files, and to do that, just hold the Windows key and X, then hit on run. And here you will type, let me bring this here. Here you will type prefetch, just like that. And then you will hit on OK. It may prompt you to give permission to access this folder. Please hit continue. You see all these files, my friend, they are dummy. You don't need them. So all you need to do is to hit Ctrl A and then Shift Delete to delete them permanently, and just hit yes. Also, you do not need to delete this. So my friend, just check here and hit skip. My friend, the fourth method, it is a common method that you know, and I would like to share it with you. And all you need to do is just to show if you've hidden your desktop icons, just like the way I do, just show them. So the fourth method is recycle bin. my friend, you can just open the recycle bin just like that, and you realize that if you delete something without hitting shift delete, it automatically comes to the recycle bin. And my friend, recycle bin is using the C drive. So my friend, all you need to do is to delete the files, but unfortunately I do not usually delete the long way. But then I just want to show you an example. For example, if I can just come here and find something that I am not using, maybe something like this, I can download this. So let me just right click this, and after I've had that, I'll just hit on delete just like that. So if I hit on delete, it automatically goes to the recycle bin. Let me minimize this and go back to the recycle bin, and my friend, you can see that I have the file that I am just from deleting. And my friend, if you want to delete this permanently, all you need to do is to right click and say delete, and this will permanently delete it from your very local disk C. My friend, the fifth method is to uninstall unused programs, and to do that you just come here, click here and go to settings so that we can uninstall unwanted programs. So my friend, just search here add or remove, so it will give you add or remove programs. Just click on that so that we can access all the programs and hopefully uninstall a program that we are not using at all. So my friend, I'll just hover down here to look for a program that I'm not using. So for example, Instagram, I'm not using it, so I'll just click here and hit on uninstall, and it will uninstall it. So that is the fifth method. Wait, before we continue with this video, I would like to tell you guys that I post more videos about computer skills on this channel. The goal of this channel is to help you guys learn how to become better at computer and become competent enough in today's age. I put a lot of effort in these videos to make sure that each video works as intended. So I would appreciate it if you guys subscribed and hit the notification bell, and don't forget to smash that like button and leave a comment down below. Now, let's get back into the video. The sixth method is to optimize. So I'll leave the rest to you. You will look for the program that you want to uninstall, and my friend, you can do that very, very quickly. Let's go to the sixth method. The sixth method is to optimize, and to do that, you just come here and come back to our local disk C, right click and go to properties. And once the property dialog box has loaded, you'll now just, let me place this here and go to tools and then hit on optimize, and then you will select local disk C, and all you need to do is to hit on optimize, and then you will also just wait until it finishes. So it's saying it's running, so it will finish that, and my friend, you can happily optimize your very local disk C, and hopefully it will free up some space and give you room to put in whatever you want to put in, and maybe make your machine a little bit faster than it was before. So my friend, as it is continuing to do that, my friend, all you need to do here, you just hit on optimize. So let me just minimize this, and my friend, I just want to show you the very last method, and the very last method is called disk cleanup. My friend, you can just come here on settings and come back to home, and then when you are at home, you will search for disk cleanup just like that. Then you will hit on clear disk space by deleting unnecessary files. So you just click there and you will wait, and I'm sure it will open this very window here. All you need to do is to click OK. Then it will scan your machine and try to find up some apps that are not being used and some files that are dummy, and hopefully it is going to do exactly that. So my friend, this is 80% analyzed, so we are hoping that it is going to do as fast as possible and hopefully increase the speed of our computer. So let me open this tab here. It is scanning to find out some files that I can clear. Then after that, it will give me an option to clean this computer, and hopefully free up some space. So my friend, I can see this is really taking a lot of our time. I don't want to make this video so long. You can follow the prompts on the screen, especially when it comes to disk cleanup. It will ask you to select some folders and some local disks. Please ensure you select all of them and then click on clean, right? Just select everything and click on clean. I don't want to make this video so long and boring. I hope I've helped you to clean up your local disk C. We can go back and see how much space we have saved. So my friend, if I can just refresh this, it was 17 GB free. Right now it is 17.5 GB free. At least we have freed a half a GB, and that is something good. So my friend, this has finished cleaning up, so we can just finish this. So I said you check every box, and by default this has been checked. All I need to do is to say clean up system files, and it will run also that very checkup to see everything that is not used in this very machine, and my friend, it is going to be deleted. So my friend, I hope that this video has been helpful to you, and if that is the case, feel very free to subscribe. And not only subscribe, my friend, ring that bell so that you do not miss any other feature tips, tricks or tutorials. Thank you so very much for watching this video. Do not forget to like this video. In case you have a specific request, please drop that in the comments section below. Otherwise, I hope I will see you in my next video. Peace.